Hello guys, greetings everyone. So guys, today I will be doing exercise. Since I bought this thing, I only use it for 1 week. So today I want to continue my exercise. As you can see, I have a big tummy, so I have to reduce this tummy. So I decided to start this exercise. I will do it for 1 month. So guys, any day I did not upload exercise video, just know say that day I did not do exercise. So from today now I will do exercise. I want to see the result of this thing. So I want to use this thing, guys. You guys join me. So after doing the exercise, I will take a tin of I'll take a Lipton tin. This is Lipton tin. So guys, join me as I do this exercise. So this is how it goes. It goes like this. You lay down, put this thing on the floor like this. After putting it on the floor, as you are doing it, you'll be hearing it on your back, your wrist, your tummy, everywhere. You'll be hearing the dragging. So guys, join me. Let's do it together.